To complete this video series, class list, grade, and class progress features will be highlighted. To access your class list, navigate from your course level navbar and select Class List to access a directory of names, emails, and group settings, which provides you with quick access to a full list of the participants in your course. From your course level navbar, select Class Progress to view a summary of the competencies a user has completed within the current org unit. For more information on Class List and Class Progress, visit the article on how to monitor class progress. Finally, from your course level navbar, select Grades to track grades and detailed class statistics. From here, you can import, export, or edit single or multiple grades. Users can also view their personal grades. For more information on the Grades tool, visit the article on grading in Brightspace.